If you're looking for a complete precision repair toolkit that handles everything from phones and laptops to cameras and gaming consoles, this Almighty Tools 180-in-1 precision screwdriver set delivers 180 specialized bits in one compact portable case. The kit features chrome, vanadium steel construction with magnetic tips and non-slip ergonomic handles that's designed to prevent stripping on delicate electronics. It includes flat, hex, square, Torx, triangle, and tri-point heads, covering virtually every screw type you'll encounter. The magnetic storage case keeps all 180 tools organized and labeled for quick access without losing small parts. Weighing just 2.14 pounds, it's lightweight enough for travel, home workshops, or professional use. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, PC builder, tech hobbyist, or technician, this all-in-one set eliminates the need to buy multiple specialized kits. It's perfect for electronics, maintenance, component upgrades, and small household repairs.